Dear friends, today we will be discussing about the Amberpet constituency, assembly constituency. Earlier, Amberpet constituency was with Himayanagar. The first time, Mr. G. Kishan Reddy Garu won from Himayanagar constituency 2004. Again, subsequently 2009 and 2014 also. So, three times he could win from the Amberpet constituency. He is having very good hold in Amberpet constituency. And then 2018, he lost by 1,000. He secured 45.03%, whereas Kaleru Venkatehsam Garu secured 45.79%. When we looked into the Nota Votes, so the Nota Votes are more 1400 plus. The difference between the winner and loser is only 1,000. So in Amberpet, BJP has very good hold, and then he has very good rapport, Mr. J. Kishan Reddy, with the people, irrespective of the religion, all religions. So he has very good personal contacts over them. And then, as we said, 2.65 lakhs voters. We have low profile and high profile areas in Amberpet constituency. The high profile constituency areas, so Nallakunta, Tilaknagar, and then DD colony. And then the low Amberpet in particular, we can say low profile area. It consisting of OSC Nagar, Patel Nagar, Reddy Nagar. So mostly the people, even AMIM dominance also there in Amberpet constituency. But they could not succeed. And then one Mr. Sharad Babu, he secured only 12% of votes in 2014. Hanumanth Rao also, V. Hanumanth Rao Garu, in 2014 he could secure only 11.7. So earlier it has very strong hold. Congress has very strong hold in Amberpet constituency, but subsequently he could not develop Hanumanth Rao Garu, the second cadre over here. And we could see only two parties will be competing in the Amberpet assembly constituency. One being the BRS, other being the BJP. BJP has an edge over BRS. And then now the Kishan Reddy are elected as state BJP president, and then it is being very prestigious for him. So certainly, so it will be an added advantage for the BJP, and the most likely, so they will win the seat. And the BRS party, of course, will give tough competition. Either Kaleru Venkatehsam or Edla Sudhakar Reddy may contest uh, the from this constituency. Congress, we don't see any uh, serious candidate, and then we don't know, maybe by the election time, the Congress may choose the right candidate over here. But it looks to be the fight between BRS and BJP. And then they have issues like mostly major problems being the uh, drainage issues they have mostly, so in particular from the pet area, they have the major drainage issue. So the flyover, so which is going to be launched, long pending project, It may be completed very soon. But particularly, we could see the particular Amberpet area. It's a typical constituency, and then it varies. The problems varies from the area to area. Let us hope because we will be knowing the election results December end or January 2024, and then all the political analysts also have the same opinion that BJP will be an upper hand in Amberpet constituency. Let us watch and see uh, because miracles will happen anytime, and then we don't know what changes it may take place in 5 months' time. So, but it looks to be certainly BJP will be having an upper hand in this Amberpet constituency. Let us hope and see. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you again.